front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and tap on About Phone section at the top. Then select device name and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. Finally, to save your device's new name, tap on this checkmark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!